El party sa que blow, 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 blow. La baby es todo un show, 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 show. Me pide reggaeton, slow, low, low, low.
Hi guys! So for today's video is about the tips on how to make a resume. Resume and application letter is the requirements that you need to submit when you want to apply a job. Resume is important because the company will base here if you are qualified and deserving enough to that job that you're applying with. But before anything else, I just want to inform you guys that the apps that I'll use in creating my resume is WPS. Here, WPS Office. It is the application that I always use with my school activities like editing, making essay. But if you prefer to use some Microsoft apps, then use it. So here, as you can see, I already put all the information or guidelines that you need to follow. So first, wait, I just hit it here. So first, here at the top, your name. By the way, I always start with my surname. Then my first name. Wait. And last, my middle initial. But if you want to write your first name first, then it is K. Next is your address. Poroktos, Barangay San Policarpo, Calbayog City. Next is your phone number. 0936530567. Okay, then last, your email address. Okay. After that, the next one is the objective. For example, if you are freshly graduate from college and you're applying a job, then you can write the objective like this. flexible and versatile. here. This is my objective. It is very preferable because especially if you're a best city student, because your field of work is in your community or in the community. Next is your personal information. Anyway, you can eliminate or you can erase this height, weight, father's name and mother's name, but it is better to put all the informations. Okay, first is your age. 23. Birthday is November 5. 1999. Birthplace barangay. Next is sex or gender. Female, of course, because I'm a female, I'm a girl. Civil status, if you are not married, then of course single or widow. Religion, Catholic. My religion is Catholic. Height, okay, my weight is 46. As I said a while ago, you cannot, you can eliminate this 4: height, weight, father's name and mother's name. Okay. Next is the education. Primary is San Policarpo Central. Next is the date that you graduate. Let's say 2016 to 2015. Next is the location. 5 Barangay San Policarpo. Next is secondary, your high school, secondary, high school level course. Next is the year that you graduated. 2019 to 2020. Let's just say 2019 and 2020. Location or place. Next is college. By the way, this resume is for the fresh graduate on college. Okay. North, West, Sama, Next is the location. Okay. Next is your skills. Like, so as for me, my skills is, by the way, I'm BCD student, so my skills is related to the community, like community organizer. By the way, your skills should be related to a job that you're applying with. Like if you're like for example, my skills is community organizer, leadership skills, so the job that I am applying with is related to the community. So my skills is community organizing, organizer, leadership skills, good listening skills, and communication skills, because as what I said, the job that I'm applying with, for example, is related to the community. Okay, next. If you have work experience, even if you're still studying, you can write it. But if you don't have experience, then you can leave it. By the way, character references is related to work experience because character references is about where you work. Like for example, my work experience is secretary, the place or location, City Hall, no. City Hall in Calbayog. Date or year since 2018 to 2019. So here in character references, you will write your co-worker or your boss. Like for example, my co-worker is Rialyn Yabao. Right here. Co-worker. Next is her phone number. Okay, it's all done. Okay. After that, last but not the least, always make sure to check or reread your application that you made to make sure that everything's perfect. Like spellings, okay, that's all. So that's all guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.